2025. Why the get up? Because it's our first video of the year, and I think I'm going to take it off now because I feel like a child. Anyway, in this video, what I wanted to do was talk through my trend predictions in the cleaning and organizing world for this coming year. What are we going to be seeing content-wise, product-wise, what kind of consumer habits we can kind of expect, how AI is or is not going to affect the way we think about cleaning and the way we clean. So let's get right into those trend predictions, and then maybe in 2026 we'll see if I was right. And to help me walk through these trends and decipher what is and is not going to be hot in 2025, I am using one of the most advanced tools that we have access to, and that is
a magic 8-ball.
These are funny little balls that you can shake, and then you turn it over to a screen side and it gives you an answer, a magic answer. So I'm gonna give this ball a good shake and have a look at our first trend. Sustainable and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Now, you might be saying that's been a thing since the 2000s. And yes, it has, and it's going to continue. I really believe that consumers are waking up and becoming wiser to what's going on in this world. People are concerned about climate change. They're concerned about the future for their children. They just want to think through all of their purchases to see where can I make some shifts. And companies are responding to this. So we'll talk through some ways that companies are making responses. And I want to use an example. This is not a sponsored video, but this is Tide Evo. They now have cardboard packaging, no more plastic. This is entirely recyclable. Evo is quite simply soap. It's just soap in hard form. So when we think about eco-friendly and sustainable solutions, the problems that they've solved are packaging related and water related. So they don't have to use as much water. This product isn't as heavy, so it's not as much of a carbon footprint when you think about transportation. It's also a concentrated product, so you need less of this to get the same type of clean. You might see laundry sheets, laundry tabs. For cleaning products, you might see tabs or small little liquid bottles that can go into larger liquid bottles. The idea here is that companies are going to continue to look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint when it comes to manufacturing products. This is going to be a sustained trend throughout 2025. Next up, smart cleaning devices. All right. I've been saying for many years, I will be out of business when there are robots that can clean and do laundry. And guess what? I think we're getting closer and closer to me not having a job every single day. And we are going to see some big changes in 2025. One of the first things that we saw in the cleaning space and sort of that took mass market appeal was a robot vacuum. And we haven't seen like a ton of advancement since then, and that's because these things take so much work to perfect. But listen, when I was in LA in October, I went to the Tesla dealership, and who should have been there but one of these? And guess what? They're teaching these things how to clean, and I predict it won't happen in 2025, but every day we get closer, maybe 10 or 15 years from now, this thing will be doing your cleaning and you won't have to. I can't wait for that day personally. But let's bring it back to 2025. We're just gonna see more and more smart devices. Listen, you can now have a smart lawnmower. You can have window cleaning vacuums. They can be programmed with your smartphone, go on cleaning schedules so that they can be efficient when you're not home and they know what to work around. The point is, this technology is going to improve. It has improved year over year, and we are going to see some new improvements coming out in 2025. I'm gonna give this a good shake here. Yes. Microbiome-friendly cleaning. You might have heard this theory. I think it's called the hygiene theory, and if it's not, please edit this part out. But it essentially means that if we sterilize our homes and our environments, then we actually weaken our immune system because we're not challenging it enough. We're not presenting it with enough germs and viruses and bacteria that it has to fight off, so that when we face a real threat, our body actually knows how to respond. Now, to go further into this topic, I would need to be a scientist, which I am not. And you do not want to get your science information from me, but you will be seeing products like this that come out, which are designed to keep your immune system healthy while cleaning your surfaces only to the level which they need to be cleaned and nothing more. All right, next up, we've got antimicrobial and virus-resistant surfaces. Prior to COVID, there was this surface technology called Microban. And you might have noticed this very small imprint on, a change table in a public bathroom. And essentially, Microban is a material that is designed to be self-disinfecting. And this technology, it's hard for people to get excited about this because it's so far in the background and it's nothing that you can see. But we are starting to see more and more of this being built into the surfaces and fixtures that you see in homes and businesses. For example, the countertop you might get installed might have this technology built in. You might notice that door handles that you purchase or faucets that you purchase now have this technology built in as well. So look out for that in 2025, because trust me, it's here. I knew this one was coming, and you probably did too. AI, personalized cleaning plans. And this refers to befriending ChatGPT. And if you haven't done that already, get on it, because ChatGPT can really give you some great information, including it can walk you through a personalized cleaning plan. If you were to prompt it by saying, ChatGPT, you're a cleaning expert. I want to know how I should approach cleaning my house. I have 3 people living in my house and a cat. My house is X amount of square feet. I have this type of flooring, this many bedrooms, this many bathrooms. How should I approach a cleaning schedule? And then just hit generate and see what it comes up with. And if you don't like what it came up with, tweak it and keep talking. People are going to become more and more interested in using a product like ChatGPT or another large language model to work through some of life's challenges, and cleaning is no different. This one is self-serving, of course. New forms of cleaning content delivery. And what does that mean? Well, you see me on YouTube, Instagram, pathetically attempting TikTok, and some other places, TV, magazines, this, that. But there are always new ways that I can deliver cleaning information to you. And in 2025, I've got something pretty new and pretty exciting up my sleeve. So if you want to know what it is, make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space newsletter, The Dirty Dish. I've got a link to it down below because we are announcing it to our Dirty Dish subscribers first. It's something that the team and I have been talking through for quite a while now. We're really excited about it. And I know that so many people in the Clean My Space community are just going to thrive when they get their hands on this. So make sure that you're subscribed to that email so you can check it out. And by the way, if you're a member of the Clean My Space community, you got access to some additional content as well. A couple more little predictions for 2025. Oh, that if you're not subscribed, that you will be subscribing to the Clean My Space channel. So you can do that by clicking that button, and there, the prediction came true. And there's one more. Let me see. Oh, there it is. That you're going to have an amazing year ahead. I'm really excited for 2025. I've got some big things in the pipeline. I can't share what they are just yet, but trust me, it's big and it's good. And I'd love to know what is in the pipeline for you for this coming year. Let me know in the comments down below. And if it's just a year of taking a step back and regrouping and doing what you need to do, that is just as important. And in fact, that is what I did in 2024. Now, if you want to see something that was trending back in 1927, you can click this video right over here, and it's going to talk all about the magic of cleaning with hydrogen peroxide. An oldie, but still a goodie. And of course, if you haven't done so already, I already said this. I mean, we already predicted it, but make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space channel by clicking a button somewhere over there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.